Eagles have soared through the skies for thousands of years, captivating our imaginations and symbolizing strength and freedom. Did you know that there are over 60 species of eagles worldwide? The majestic bald eagle, a symbol of the United States, was once on the brink of extinction due to hunting and habitat loss. But thanks to conservation efforts, its population has rebounded dramatically. Eagles are remarkable hunters, with eyesight that's 4 to 8 times sharper than ours, allowing them to spot prey from miles away. Their powerful talons can exert a grip of over 1,000 pounds per square inch, making them formidable predators. And let's not forget their incredible nests, which can weigh up to a ton and be reused for decades. From the golden hues of the golden eagle to the striking white head of the bald eagle, each species has its own unique story. These birds not only inspire awe, but also remind us of the importance of preserving their habitats for future generations.